Very good morning, dear friends, my dear students. Today it is very interesting topic, rehabilitation. The main functions of a nurse, the promotion, prevention, protection and rehabilitation. So one of the important topic regarding the care of a patient or a client or a human beings, we will discuss regarding the rehabilitation. So rehabilitation nursing, in this point we very well know that all the nursing cares assist to a individual or a group or a community with any disability, any disease or any problems. So rehabilitation also the same. It is also assist a individual with any type of the disability, any type of the chronic illness, for to maintain maximum functions of that individuals. So rehabilitation staff nurse assist client adopting the altered lifestyle. It means he will come back before same, before the any disability or before any problems. So when we providing the therapeutic environment for a client, when we providing the good environment of a client, a suitable environment of a client or a healthy environment of a client and their family, they will develop their positions. And so this rehabilitation, in this the staff nurse design the functions, treatment, strategy based on the scientific nursing theories related to any type of the scientific theories like the self-care theory, promotion of the physical theory, psychological theory, spiritual theory, any outpatient setting theories. These are the acute and subacute type of the rehabilitation facilities. So the major functions of this rehabilitation given by the staff nurse or a nursing officers, they clarify and they know very well what is the responsibility of a staff nurse for this rehabilitation setting. This is a professionalism functions to establish any scope standard in this rehabilitation practice. So how can we define that rehabilitation? It is a most important question. How to define the rehabilitation? So rehabilitation is nothing else. It is a type of the care. It can help the individual to get back, to keep or to improve ability that is need for in daily life. This ability may be physical type of ability, mental type of ability, any cognitive means thinking or learning type of the ability, any type of loss from their life because disease or injury. These all side effects from any type of the medical treatments. So rehabilitation is nothing else to take comeback of the patient, to come back of a individual or a member. If generally we can explain it, so then rehabilitation is nothing else provide the feedback, provide the care to the patient, then he will get shown the activity before the disease. So different types of the rehabilitations We will discuss the types of the rehabilitations therapy. These are the occupational therapy. This is the physical or speech therapy. It is a unique type of the purpose, helping a person reach full recovery in his life. The patient return to a healthy or active lifestyle. That is the main rehabilitation type of the therapy. What is the purpose of this rehabilitation? Nothing else. The main purpose to restore all patients in the physically, sensory, mentally capacity that were lost due to any injury, any illness, or any type of the disease. So rehabilitation includes assist the patient to compensate for deficit and cannot be reversed medically. Then they need the rehabilitation therapy. So some of the stage for the rehabilitation, most of the scientists are explained like this stage. First we think and we have the main objects or main aims that rest and protect the injury. First stage, rest and protect the injury. In this, it is a recovery type, all about the minimizing further damage and letting the body begin the healing process. First of all, when the person is getting the injury, he will get the inflammation and pain in that site. So this is the first reaction of the body. Then so first of all, we give the better care to reduce the inflammation and control the pain and protect the injured body parts to avoid any further damage. So then we will start the recovery process of a patient. In this phase, we need to provide the rest to the patient, appropriate rest or appropriate environment for the rest, or provide some of therapies like the ice therapy, cold pack therapy, some protective cast, sling or tape of safeguard the injury. So pain management also important because the inflammation is occur. So any painkillers, analgesics or any inflammatory treatment we will give the patient. Second stage is the recovery, the patient motion. After the following surgery, after any type of the surgery or injury, such of the factors like the swellings, pain can make it difficult to move the injured part like the patient need. So carefully, soft tissues and joints mobilization training provided by the physiotherapist. It is an important your rehabilitation part for the recovery, early stage recovery of a patient in their motions. So it is very important how to work their damaged part again as a actual life pattern according to the need of the member, the candidate. So we will try to get the motion back, range of the motion back, and the body part is functions regularly. And third one stage is recovery or strength. Recovery of strength is very important stage for this rehabilitation because the most of the people shocked to discover how their injury and the ensuing recovery period can result in muscle weakness and loss of the endurance. This muscle weakness and wasting is commonly noted after injury and surgery within the 4 to 6 weeks. So, minimizing this muscles loss and strength deficit are important rehabilitation goals set your physiotherapy programs. Yeah, any type of the sports injury, yeah, participation in any games or any period, so minimize the cardiovascular endurance is important, and exercise like sanitary cycling, stationary cycling, pool exercise, gentle exercise to be recommended for the patient. And last is the recovery or functions. This is the last steps. After getting all types of the cares, the people, yeah, the client, yeah, patient is recovering sport specific functions and returning to play, and he will come back for their regular functions. So this injury rehabilitation, including the restoring coordination and balance, improving the speeds, agility and sports specific skills, progressing from the simple to complex. So these are the mainstays, means as per the need of the patients, as per the injury of the patient, as per the damage of the patients, we can recover the patient for their a well life, a healthy life. So what is type of the responsibility of a nurse for this rehabilitation programs? Which type of the responsibility? So some of the general responsibility for a nurse in the rehabilitation process, these are the nurse, very important that nurse have the specialized knowledge and clinical skill necessary to provide care for a people with physical disability or a chronic illness. Second one, coordinate educational activity and use the appropriate resources to develop and to implement on a individual or a community people for teaching and discharge plan with client and their family. And nurse provide the hand care service, nursing service, and use the nursing process. It is very utilized to achieve the quality of outcomes for a client. When a nurse providing a care to the patient, these activities are collaboration activity with the other members, because without any help we are unable to do the care of a patient. So it is a type of the collaboration care and facility achievement of overall goal. The holistic approach also very important, coordination with the holistic approach to meet the patient medically, vocationally, educationally and the environmental needs is very important. When the nurse is providing the care, she demonstrates effective oral or written communication skills, because a nurse make the rapport with the client, their families and the team members, ensure the fulfillment, the requirement for legal documentation and reimbursement. Another functions, responsibility of a nurse that act as a resource person, role model of a nursing staff. She is participate like the students, she is participate like the nursing committee, she is participate as a professional worker and professional rehabilitation functions. So a nurse encourage other become the client regulatory research nursing certified, and she is agreed to advanced degree participate with the committee members and join the professional organizations. And most, she provide the community education regarding the accepting the people disabilities, and she actively engage in legislative initiatives affecting the practice of rehabilitation nursing or the people in their care. Apply nursing research and clinical practices and participating in nursing research studies. These are the main responsibility of a nurse. Now come the role and functions of a nurse in the rehabilitation care as a staff nurse. So previously we discussed, read it regarding that the so many functions of a nurse, like a teacher, like a coordinator, like a advocate, like a caregivers, like a researcher, like a helper, or like an educator. So many functions or roles of a nurse in the community to provide the care to the patient. So first is the teacher. It means she have the knowledge regarding how to provide the care, what type of the techniques she will use, and which type of the procedures and which nursing process she is implement on a patient, how to educate the family members also, how to educate the patient also, and how to educate the peoples who are living in a disability area, any type of the pandemic or epidemic problems. So she will teach, she will educate the persons how to take care, how to cure, and how to prevent ourselves from that damaged. So this is very important. First is the teacher, second is the caregiver. She is providing a bell according to the need of the patient, according to the need of the family, according to the need of the community. She is able to give the care, and she is perform his ability, and she is giving the proper treatment as per prescribed by the doctors also. So she can maintain a familiar relations. So she is a good care provider. And next one is the collaborator. She have the good skills, IPR. So she can take the help of the other department also. These departments are very important, like the physiotherapist, like the investigators, like the laboratories, like the nutritionist, and all other team members can come together in a single platform and work or provide the care to a patient. Client advocate means she will listen all these things carefully and guide the client and their family to storage of grieving process to move or lost the ability and role with while also hope. She is contribute a safe and therapeutic environment and support activities that promote the client return of functions. So this rehabilitation process, rehabilitation work, rehabilitation care is very important for a client, for a patient, because each and every who will get the infection, who will get the damage, who will get the accident, who will get the any type of the surgery. So rehabilitation stage give the ability to return back, and she is live on healthy style. So nurse can manage this role, nurse can provide this role, nurse can perform this role on their educational skills and on their practice. This is the daily use and this is the daily work of a nurse. She is performed very well. So rehabilitation is very important, and take care.